This KOCH SYSTEME CS carbon monosulfide KOCH SYSTEME frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a non-stick surface. This makes cooking easy, and cleaning even easier. Messes don't stand a chance against this pan. Food slides right off, like a skater on ice. You will spend less time scrubbing. More time will be spent enjoying your delicious meals. The 11-inch size is perfect for many cooking tasks. It can handle omelets and stir-fries with equal ease. The pan works well on all stovetops. This includes induction cookers. The heat-resistant handle offers good protection. It stays cool to the touch. This is a great combination of safety and convenience. The pink color adds a touch of style to your kitchen. It is a refreshing pop of color. This KOCH SYSTEME CS carbon monosulfide KOCH SYSTEME frying pan is also APEO and PFOA-free. This gives you peace of mind while you cook. It's like having a healthy shield for your food. While it may not perform surgery, it helps you create healthy meals. There is no comparison to the ease of use. Cleaning this pan offers compared to traditional pans. Forget about stuck-on food and endless scrubbing. This KOCH SYSTEME CS pan simplifies your cooking experience. It is a fantastic thing to have in your kitchen. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, induction ready, heat-resistant handle, APEO-free, PFOA-free, stylish design, even heating, durable, versatile use, less oil needed. Scratch-resistant cons: non-stick may degrade, could be less durable, handle might get hot, lighter weight feels cheap. Not ideal for high heat, potential for warping, cleaning could be tricky, size might be too small. Features: non-stick surface, stone earth coating, for all stovetops, induction cooker okay, stir-fry pan. Style: heat-resistant handle, APEO-free, PFOA-free 11-inch size, pink color. This 11-inch pink frying pan from KOCH SYSTEME CS has a non-stick surface with a stone-like coating. It can be used on all kinds of stoves, even induction cookers. This pan is made in a stir-fry style and has a handle that stays cool. It's also made without APEO and PFOA. This means it's designed to be easy to cook with and clean. This pink 11-inch non-stick frying pan from KOCH SYSTEME is designed for all stovetops, including induction. It boasts an easy-to-clean, scratch-resistant surface that requires less oil for cooking and ensures even heating. The handle is heat-resistant for safe use. However, some users might find it less durable, potentially prone to warping, and the lighter weight could feel less sturdy. While versatile, it might not be ideal for very high heat, and the non-stick coating's longevity is a consideration.